Hi, greetings to all of you. This video is exclusively for the pregnant ladies who will be bothered about their baby's intelligence and health. It is every parent's dream that her or his baby grows up to be healthy and intelligent. Sure, mother's diet, genes, and emotions play a part in developing growing baby's intelligence, but what about tips for creating a smarter, happier baby? Are there any? Inherited genes play a major role in determining intelligence and personality, but the right lifestyle choices can help ensure those genes are programmed in the womb. Gynecologist Ratnabali Ghosh says researchers now estimate that half of IQ is down to genes, the rest is influenced by a baby's environment. To ensure your baby inherits your brightness, start now as we bring you 8 tips that ensure your baby is smart and intelligent. So, what are they? The first one is start a story time habit. When does learning begin? Psychologist and parenting expert Polly Sengupta says that the foundations for language begin in the womb, and by the third trimester, your baby can memorize sounds she or he hears regularly. According to an article in parenting website Babel, researchers asked mothers to read a passage from The Cat in the Hat, a children's book written and illustrated by Theodore Geisel under the pen name Dr. Seuss and first published in 1957, repeatedly to their unborn babies. After birth, the babies recognized that passage when they heard it. It's really a wonderful thing, right? And it happens. The second one is eat healthy. Omega 3 fatty acids are absolutely essential for baby's brain development. Make certain you include foods that have a good content of omega 3, such as fish, soya beans, and spinach in your diet. Also, iron food in leafy vegetables like spinach helps the flow of oxygen to the baby's brain cells. Include nuts such as almonds and walnuts in your diet during your pregnancy. Walnuts are essential for your brain development of adults and babies alike. Almonds are a good source of niacin, protein and energy and helps in the overall brain development of the baby. Ghosh says. And if you want your baby to have a gourmet palate of an intelligent intellect, get adventurous at dinner time. Ghosh suggests at your baby's taste buds develop from around 12 weeks. In one study, babies of moms who drank carrot juice while pregnant showed a preference for carrots once born. Really, it's interesting, no? The third one is stay fit and active. Love the endorphin boost you get from exercise. Well, so does your baby. Staying fit and active is all the more important during pregnancy. Fight the urge to laze around and get off the couch if you want to make your baby smarter. Ghosh says hormones released during exercise cross the placenta, bathing your baby in feel good chemicals for up to a couple of hours. Plus, an exercise increases the flow of blood around your body, including to the womb. Hence, your baby's development is given a boost, she says. If you weren't exercising before getting pregnant, stick to lightweight exercises and brisk walks as it has been proven that mothers who are active during pregnancy have smarter children, she adds. Latest research also suggests exercise during pregnancy can increase neurons in your baby's hippocampus, the learning and memory part of your brain, by 40%. Awesome. The fourth one is play music and get talking. As the baby grows in her or his mother's womb, she or he begins to hear and even respond to sound. She or he may not understand what you are saying, but stimulating your baby by talking or even singing can help with her or his brain development, says Sengupta. You can even ask you partner to speak to your belly and feel the baby respond in return. She says, adding, from time to time, listen to soothing music and even nursery rhymes. Perhaps the most important education of all, you can shape your baby's music taste. Unborn babies love music. It helps trigger happy chemicals like serotonin, which encourage her or him to be calm and even increase concentration power. After the birth, your baby remembers and relieves all those good feelings and associated with the music each time she or he hears it. Sengupta says that means after your baby is born, sing the same rhymes to quieten and soothe her or him. The fifth one is keep thyroid levels in check. Thyroid is essential for the baby. During pregnancy, if your thyroid level is unstable, it can affect the baby. Deficiency of thyroid in the mother can affect the intelligence quotients of the baby. Try to eat a well balanced and healthy diet which contains ample amount of sodium. Include iodized salt and yogurt in your diet in case you feel you do not get the required amount of iodine in your diet. Ghosh says. Sixth one, don't ignore the supplements. During pregnancy, your body needs extra nourishment. Though a wholesome meal will provide you with ample nutrition, you must take additional supplements for the well being of the baby and a smooth delivery. So, there are a lot of prenatal supplements available in the market, such as vitamins and supplements containing folic acid. Both of these elements play a crucial role in the development of the brain cells of the baby. However, it's necessary that you consult your doctor before taking any supplements. 7. Get a little sunshine. Never before has vitamin D been so important. All you need to do is soak some sunshine up for 20 minutes a day. We test the pregnant moms who come to our clinic for vitamin D, and more than half of them are deficient. That's due to combination of a lack of sunlight and not getting enough vitamin D in their diet. Ghosh says most of vitamin D we rely on to grow healthy and strong bones comes from the sun, though it can also be found in few foods like oily fish and eggs. This nutrition is essential for helping your baby develop strong bones and heart, and researchers have also started investigating a link between a lack of vitamin D in pregnant women and autism. Gently massage your tummy. According to Time magazine article, rubbing your belly gently is also a good stimulation for the baby. A baby still in the womb can feel your touch. From around 20 weeks, your baby will feel your touching your bum, and stroking it can send calming messages to her or his nervous system, Sengupta says. Research suggests an unborn baby can even distinguish between her or his mother and father's touch. Really awesome. Spa some almond oil. This is the best excuse for a massage ever. What's more, your unborn baby even has a sense of smell. Sengupta suggests you try and smell fresh flowers, fruits, and other such soothing fragrances whenever you can, as these exercises will also help with your baby's brain stimulation. I hope this whole information will be very, very useful to you, and please follow it to have birth to your intelligent baby, and all the best for your pregnancy. Thank you. Take care.